Yogurts.
Yes, obviously. We're gonna go find yogurt in the wilderness.
Obviously.
Obviously. It was a hike just trying to get to the trail.
Bridge.
Bridge.
Nature.
Look at it. It's so beautiful.
Alright, give us a tour. Tell us about the trees.
Alright, so
What do we got?
to the right, you got trees.
Excellent.
To the left, you have more trees.
Whoa.
Some random plants that may or may not be poison ivy.
Yo.
Alright, where are we going? Do we want to go left or continue straight?
It's up to you. Oh, left seems more appealing, not gonna
To the
lie.
left we go!
Yeah!
Alright, now I know it looks like we have a choice of which way to go, but we don't. You
Oh.
can only go straight. Don't let this fool you.
It's like life. Choice is an illusion.
Yes. It just goes into a circle leading back to this.
Path.
And now we get to walk single file down the bridge.
Hope no one's coming the other way.
Yeah, this is a one-way bridge. That's another spider web.
Woo!
Yippee! And now one you can't just parkour over.
Oh, the suspicious corner.
Yes. Very suspicious log. Right or left, guys?
So we want the Woodcock Walk or Aspen Grove. Why does Aspen Grove sound like a gated community? What are we feeling? Right. Your call. Okay. Yeah.
Nature.
This is some sketchy bridging here.
There is no staircase at all.
Nope. No
Also,
railing?
No railing. It's another one-way bridge. This is totally safe.
Yes.
Totally very safe. Nothing can go wrong on that bridge.
No, not at all. Everything's fine.
Also, just a tree in the middle of the pathway.
Yep.
No one's gonna walk into that, no.
You can just climb up it. I'm different. No.
No one's going to get hurt by the tree in the middle of the pathway.
No, why would we?
No. There's another tree in the middle of the path.
Oh.
No one will ever walk into this.
No.
Ever. At all.
I bet you someone probably has.
Someone definitely has.
There's always that one person.
I was nearly that person. Someone will most definitely walk into the middle of that tree.
You're probably goofing off with a group of friends. Probably like, ah ha ha, not looking, and then.
Pushing on just tree. And then someone has a broken
Right.
head.
Face full of bark. Their nose
Face
is
full
crooked.
of bark, nose broken, severe concussion.
I bet you everyone's tripped over that
Everyone's
hole.
tripped over the hole. Gotten their foot stuck in it and it's only dirt. Face full of dirt. Did you just slurp the dirt?
Yeah, you cook the dirt. No.
Bench. With plants growing here. Because that's not old or abandoned at all. Oh, yippee, another parkour over the bridge.
Yoink. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I find it like really cool when people take like furniture objects and they like purposely like make plants like and vines and stuff grow over it.
Yeah.
Like I feel like if you do it right, it's really pretty.
Yes. What is this bridge? Why is it looking like What? Oh, there's another severe drop.
This is not wheelchair friendly.
What about this would you think is wheelchair friendly? There's a dirt path.
True. But like
A wheelchair would take up the entire path.
probably, yeah.
I thought that was a bridge for a second.
Okay, yeah, not gonna lie, same.
It's just a bench. But no, it's
Sometimes
clearly a bridge.
you just need it.
Clearly.
That's a bridge.
Someone wrote their name in there.
Honestly, the graffiti's crazy in some places. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
It's usually just like swear words and people's names.
That's a tree word.
Occasionally you get a phone number if you're lucky, but
If you're lucky. And then you can decide on whether or not you want to call the phone number.
do not try this at home, kids.
Don't. Do not take my advice.
Do not
Don't
call random
call
phone
the
numbers.
random phone number. Nature is so pretty.
Which shall it be?
What time is it?
That's a great question. It is 6:47.
Should we start heading out?
I say so just because the sun's like, it's still pretty high up, but I don't want to be like stuck in here too.
The woods are a bit creepy when you get stuck in them at night. I'm not
The
saying.
sun should be setting around 7.
Okay.
Then yeah, we should start heading outstairs.
Oh, jeez.
We should start heading out. The woods are very creepy at night.
Facts.
I don't enjoy being in wooded spaces at night. I've read too many creepypastas.
We know.
Thank you.
And Stephen King.
Yeah. Well, I mean, here's the thing though. All of that like takes place in Maine.
Just stay away from Maine.
Don't look at the Maine vlog. Yeah, because we're also gonna have a walk back to the parking lot as well.
Yeah.
It's just what is? Yes.
Trail.
Trail. This thing can barely even call it a trail at that point. Yippee.
Pew.
I like how the trail is just now wood.
Yeah. This would be cool to bike on, not gonna lie.
It probably would.
The stairs would suck, but the rest of it would be kind of fun.
Just carry your bike down the stairs.
Just jump over the stairs.
Yeah. Jump over the stairs and then you're good. Unless you're going the other way, in which case, yeah, you will actually have to stop and carry the bike.
That's true, yeah.
And now it's a question of where do we get out?
I thought you knew this place.
Oh, I know the place. That doesn't mean I know where the trails
Oh
end.
no.
Especially since we went on like 5 different trails. They're all interconnected and they all go out at different spots and it's always a guessing game of where you get out depending on which trail you take.
Ladies and gentlemen. We're not lost yet.
But we're going to be.
Scenic shot of the bridge. Wow, wow.
And back to our tour. This is
Yes.
a birch tree, I believe.
Whoa, what taught you that?
Minecraft. Thanks, Minecraft.
Whoa,
I know trees.
the video game education.
I thought that was a bridge again.
Honestly, same. I mean, like, I had the wood pattern, so
Yeah. Is that another crossroads?
it seems so. Okay,
Okay, we're gonna be going left because I'm pretty sure that leads us further in.
okay.
This gets us out.
I think, okay.
In theory, this is heading back towards the start of the park. So
All right.
I would say yes.
If the internal compass is correct.
Let's hope it's correct. Oh, stairs!
Oh.
Yeah! Stairs! Yay! Yeah, this is the start of the park.
Sweet.
This is definitely out of the
It's gotta
trail.
be, because there's like a whole thing up there.
Yep, this is out of
Ooh,
the
these are
trail.
some wide stairs too.
What?
The stairs are like wide. I appreciate that.
Yep,
Someone
okay,
who-
we've made it out of the trails.
Okay. Oh, we're over here. Okay.
Yes, we're out of the trails, but we are on the opposite end of the park.
Oh, Okay, alright then.
So just head this way, or should we head back into the trails?
I say this way then.
Yes, now we are at the opposite end of the park from where we came.
Love that.
Yay, trails! There's a playground.
There's a playground.
I want to go on the playground.
You want to go on the playground?
I don't think the guys will.
Yeah, so they're still walking.
Okay, but like,
They're on a mission.
there's a tire swing.
Yo!
The tire swing.
That's a good playground. Listen, if it has monkey bars and a tire swing, you know you're in
It's
business.
a great playground.
Oh,
Man,
cries. Oh, we found the parking lot. We don't know if it's the same parking
it is
lot.
not the same.
It's not the
lot.
same parking lot.
It is not the same parking lot. I told you we're on the opposite end of the park. We got a ways to go yet. I'm pretty sure we gotta go that way still.
Oh. I mean, according to Pokemon Go, we we got a lot.
Yeah.
Car.
Yes, I see the car.
Car. No.
I see the car. I am aware of the car.
Un carro.
In voiture.
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 Voiture. Oh, voiture. Haha.
There's a search trail. We can get the thumbnail.
Let's go. That.
Baseball prohibited on football field because you can't mix the sports, okay?
Exactly.
You got the football field here, you got your baseball field over there. Get the two sports right.
We love it.
Welcome to America.
Use of premises. Prohibited without a permit.
So in other words, you can't just show up with your football. You have to be on a little league sports team to be able to use the football field. Yippee, we take our sports so seriously here.
I know. If it's not football, then what is it?
It's nothing.
Exactly.
Go
Bills.
We made it, guys. We found the parking lot. We're all good. We lived.